So how can you set up the Bixby assistant on a Samsung Galaxy phone? Let's get started. So at first, you should know that you should be able to find it somewhere among your apps, right? So perhaps in the Samsung folder or somewhere in here, because it is in fact a dedicated app which you can access, right? So what you can do is literally just search for the Bixby word there, and you should be able to get it inside of that app. But what happens for me is because I haven't set it up, yeah, it asks me to do some settings, right? So choose a voice, then make sure you give the app access to all of these different things, including the like microphone and all of it that it requires, because you're going to be required to do that, of course. But when it comes to the setup process itself, that is basically it. Like, obviously, have some Bixby settings menus inside of the main settings app. But now when I click on the app, you can see at the bottom, I have this little drop of water or whatever that is. And you can ask it some questions, right? It also asks you about location data. So you don't even have to technically agree with that. And it still gives you the information you need, like the weather or whatever you ask for it. So this is how you can set it up. As I said, inside of the main settings app, you can go through the sections. For example, tap on the advanced features and choose what happens with the side button, because there is the physical side button on the phone, which you can hold to activate Bixby as well, right? Might want to look into that. And yeah, that's how you can essentially just start using it right away. So yeah, as I said, a couple of other settings like the region and also the feedback, language, voice style, offline processing, and all of this stuff can be managed later on in the settings, but the setup process itself is pretty straightforward and easy. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it and if you actually used the Bixby voice assistant. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.